जय श्री राम. श्री गणेशाय नमः. श्री जानकी वल्लभ विजयते. श्री रामचरितमानस. Descent 1. बालकांड. श्लोक. वर्णानामर्थ संगाना रसाना छंदसांपि मंगलाना च कर्तारो वंदे वाणी विनायको. I reverence Saraswati, the goddess of speech, and Lord Ganesh, the originators of sounds, represented by the alphabet of the multitudes of objects denoted by those sounds, of poetic sentiments as well as of metres, and the bestowers of all the blessings. भवानी शंकरो वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास रूपिणो याम्या विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धां स्वान्तां समीश्वरम्. I greet Goddess Parvati and her consort Bhagwan Shankar, embodiments of reverence and faith, without whom even the adept Siddhas cannot perceive God enshrined in their very heart. वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणं यमाशितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रहं सर्वत्र वन्दते. I make obeisance to the eternal perceptor in the form of Lord Shankara, who is all wisdom and resting on whose brow the crescent moon, though crooked in shape, is universally adored. सीताराम गुणग्राम पुन्नारण्य विहारिणो वंदे विशुद्ध विज्ञानो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो. I pay homage to the king of bards, Valmiki, and chief of monkeys, Hanuman, of pure intelligence, both of whom sported in the holy woods in the shape of glories of Sita and Sri Ram. उद्धव स्थिति संहार कारिणीं कलेशहारिणीं सर्वश्रेष्ठकरीं सीतां नतोऽहं रामवल्लभाम्. I vow to Sita, the beloved consort of Sri Ram, who is responsible for the creation, sustenance, and dissolution of the universe, removes afflictions, and begets all blessings. Yanmaya Vasavarti Vishmakhalam Brahmadi Devasura Yat Satvad Nisheva Bhati Sakalam Rajo Yatha He Brahma Yat Pad Pallav Mekmeva Hi Bhavam Bodhi Sthiti Sarvatam Vande Aham Tam Seshakaran Param Ramakhyam Misham Harim. I adore Lord Hari, known by name of Sri Ram, who is superior to and lies beyond all causes, whose Maya elusive power holds sway over the entire universe, including gods from the Brahma, the creator, downwards, and demons, whose presence lends positive reality to the world of appearances. Even as false notion of a serpent is entertained with reference to a rope, and whose feet are only bark for those who are eager to cross the ocean of mundane existence. Nana Purana Nigmagam Sammatam Yada Ramayane Nigditam Kwachandinto Api Swantaha Sukhaya Tulsi Raghunath Gatha Bhasha Nibandhamati Manjul Matanoti. For the satisfaction of his inner self, Tulsidas brings forth this very elegant composition relating to the story of Sri Raghunath, which is in accord with the various Puranas, Vedas, and the Agamas, Tantras, and incorporates what has been recorded in Ramayana of Valmiki and culled from some other sources. Sortha. जो सुमिरत सीधी होई गन्नाय करिबर बदन कदौ अनुग्रह सोई बुद्धि राशि subgun sadan. May Lord Ganesh, the leader of Shiva's retinue, whose very thought ensures success, who has the head of beautiful elephant, who is repository of wisdom and abode of virtuous and benign qualities, shower his grace on me. मुख होई बाचार पंगौ चढ़ी गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपा सो दयाल दवौ सकल कलिमल दहन. May that merciful Lord, whose grace enables the dumb to wax eloquent and a cripple to ascend an inaccessible mountain, and who burns all the impurities of Kali age, be moved to compassion on me. नील सरोरुह स्वाम तरुण अरुण बारिज नयन करौ सोमम ऊर्ध्व धाम सदा क्षीर सागर शयन. May the Lord, who ever reposes on the ocean of milk, and who is swarthy as blue lotus, and has eyes resembling a pair of full-blown red lotuses, take up his abode in my heart. कुंद इंदु समदेह उमा रमन करुणा अयन जाहि दीन पर नेह करु कृपा मर्दन मयन. May the crusher of Cupid, Bhagwan Shiva, whose form resembles in the color of jasmine flower, and the moon, who is consort of goddess Parvati and abode of compassion, and who is fond of afflicted, be gracious to me. बंदौ गुरुपद पंकज कृपा सिंधु न रूप हरि मान मोह तम पुंज जासु बचन रवि कर निकल. I bow to the lotus feet of my Guru, who is an ocean of mercy, and no other than Sri Hari himself in human form, and whose words are sunbeams as it were for dispersing the mass of darkness in the form of gross ignorance. बंदौ गुरुपद पदम परागा सुरुचि सुबास सरस अनुरागा अमय मुरिमय चुरन चारु समन सकल भव ध्वज परिवारु. I greet the pollen-like dust of the lotus feet of my preceptor, refulgent, fragrant, and flavored with love. It is a lovely powder of the life-giving herb, which allays the host of all the attendant ills of mundane existence. सुकृति संभूतन बिमल विभूति मंजुल मंगल मोद प्रसूति जन मन मंजू मुकुर मल हरनी किए तिलक गुण गण बस करनी. It adorns the body of a virtuous person, even as white ashes beautify the person of Lord Shiva and bring forth sweet blessings and joys. It rubs the dirt of the beautiful mirror in the shape of devotee's heart. When applied to the forehead in the form of a tilak, a religious mark, it attracts the host of virtues. श्री गुरुपद नख मणि गण ज्योति सुमिरत दिव्य दृष्टियां होती दलन मोह तम सो प्रकाशु बढ़े भाग उर आवई जासु. The splendor of gems in the form of nails on the feet of the blessed Guru unfolds divine vision in the heart by its very thought. The luster disperses the sets of infatuation. Highly blessed is he in whose heart it shines. उगदहि विमल बिलोचन ही के मिटहि दोष दुग भव रजनी के सुजहि रामचरित मनि मानिक गुपुत प्रगट जहाँ जो जहि खानिक. With its very appearance, the discerning eyes of the mind get opened. The attendant evils and suffering of the night of mundane existence disappear, and gems and rubies in the shape of stories of Sri Ram, both patent and hidden, wherever and in whatever mind they may be, come to light. Jai Shri Ram.